I am so excited to introduce you to this new home on the market, 3 Cardinal Lane, Collegeville, in the heart of Upper Providence. Amazing cul-de-sac location. This neighborhood does not move much. So this home has been owned by the original owner since 1994. And when I tell you, every inch of this home has been touched, loved, improved, and upgraded. It's one of a kind, over 4,000 square foot. Come on and see it. As you enter this home, I want you to pay attention to all the incredible details, the expanded family room out the back, the beautifully finished basement, and all of the options for family to be, even in in-law potential quarters.